Hey everyone, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make easy kulfi ice cream at home in just 5 minutes. Of course, excluding the freezing time. I've tried and tested this recipe and it has come out just perfect kulfi ice cream, so I thought of sharing with you all. To make kulfi, I have 1/4 cup of almonds, 1/4 cup of pistachio, 2 cans of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, 500 ml or 2 cups of heavy cream, and a white bread slice. I've already removed the brown crust side from it. Let's start with opening up the cans. Condensed milk, evaporated milk, heavy cream, pinch of salt, and a bread slice is the base of kulfi ice cream. Almond pistachio is the flavor that my family loves. You can also make mango kulfi with using 1/4 to half cup of mango pulp or some saffron strands and 1/4 cup of pistachio to make Kesar Pista Kulfi. In a blender, toss in almonds and pistachio. Pour in heavy cream, cans of evaporated milk, and condensed milk. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out new videos I post. Add some cardamom powder. This is optional. Not everyone likes cardamom powder, but it does give really nice flavor to kulfi. Pinch of salt, and I'll just stir in a bread slice. Close the blender and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Now you don't want to overblend it because you have heavy cream in it. So check after 40 seconds and if needed, pulse blend it. Kulfi mixture has come together wonderfully well. Let's transfer this into a container. You can use popsicle molds to freeze kulfi ice cream. I'm going to use 2 plastic containers today. These plastic containers goes straight in the freezer for overnight or minimum of 8 hours. After overnight of freezing, kulfi ice cream is perfectly set. If you use containers like I did, let the containers sit out for 10 minutes and then cut kulfi ice cream in about a centimeter thick, or you can use an ice cream scoop too. Almond Pistachio Kulfi ice cream is ready to be served. Make this kulfi ice cream during holiday time and I'm sure your friends and family would ask for a recipe. Hope you like this recipe and do give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipe videos and leave a comment down below for any suggestions. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.